You people, whenever we come here and speak, you just think that we hate the government and we don't love our country. Today, Minister of Health, General Achen, abadde mu district ye Malacha, ng'agenze okukutikira kwa Abasawo 181 era ng'agenze obatongoza ng'Abasawo abagenda okukola mu malwaliro ga government mu sector ekyasinze okubeera sensitive nga yekwatiridde obulamu bw'Abannayuganda. But the Minister of Health akutte obugaali bicycles n'azikwata n'aziwa Abasawo just like a means of transport to help them to deliver medicine in hospitals. Akutte obugaali bicycle zawadde Abasawo bazikozesenga transport as a transportation of medicine okuzisasanya mu malwaliro in Yumbe district. Is that really make any sense? Omuntu yenna alina amagezi ategeera ekyo kikola sense. Sector ekwatiridde obudamu bw'Abannayuganda ng'olina kubawa bugaali bicycles okuzikozesa nga means of transport okuyamba ku balwadde n'okutambuza eddagala mu malwaliro. Is that really make any sense? Bw'owulira ebyo ng'owulira nti mukulu Museveni yakute 100 millions n'aziwa buli mubaka, just like 55 billions down without anything helping Ugandans. That same Minister General Achen is driving a $1 billion brand new car to deliver those bicycles to work as an ambulance for the citizens of Uganda. That same minister, you can find that she has used billions of money for that activity just to go in that district to deliver those bicycles to help nurses to deliver medicine around the country. You can even imagine. Osobola okusanga nti just that activity minister are spending the billions of money which can buy like 3 well facilitated ambulances okuyamba ku Basawo. Sente zokkaza akozesezza nga atwala obugaali obwo kubanga bwe baba bakola activities ezo baba wa budget. Olaba bagenda ngokulambula eribowa an empty space n'asaba 1.5 billion just to visit Rubawa, an empty space to visit Rubawa. Golowooza okukwata obugaali obwo butwala mu district eyo eyeyumbe aba akozesezza sente meka just that activity. Remember, we pay her fuel, we buy her fuel, we pay her allowances to do that activity. Okitegeera. Naye you can find that she has used $1 billion Ugandans to deliver those bicycles. That money can even buy like 3 well facilitated ambulances to help the society. But she has used that those million Ugandans of money, those billions of money to deliver bicycles as an ambulance to help the society. Naye nga sente zaakozesezza okutwala obugaali obwo zisobola okugula ambulances nga 3 ziyambeko society. Is that really make any sense? But tuvaayo okwogera ebintu bino, people start talking that for you are there on TikTok shouting you hate the government, you hate the president, you hate our people, leaders, you don't respect leaders. How can I respect such leaders, please? How? To the extent that the lives of Ugandans, the taxpayers, are useless to that extent. Just imagine that someone has got an accident but they have to use bicycle to take her or him to the hospital. A minister, that Minister of Health has like how many ministers? General Sachenge, Diana Atwine, Anifa Kawaya Bangirana, Simanya Bitecherezo. I don't even know how many ministers that ministry has, but each a minister can take billions of money with expensive cars, billion brand new cars, like allowances, like what, like everything. That ministry, but you can find that the budget of those ministers is bigger than the budget on that ministry. osanga nti ba minister abo budget yawe bonga ba abantu ebakolera ku bintu byabwe bakwatako ebalabirira nene nnyo okusinga ministry ya health jefuna just ba minister abo abali mu ministry eyo tosobola kungamba nti minister avuga mmotoka ya billions of money naye nga ambulance ebalemye okugula ng'olina kuwa mu Nancy Kagaali nga kekalina okola nga ambulance etwala eddagala mu ddwaliro. And when we talk about these things, people say that we hate the government. We have to respect leaders. What kind of leaders do we need to respect? What kind of leaders? Is that really make any sense mu mutwe gw'omuna Uganda yenna ategeera? Nti Ministry of Health eri mu kudelivaringa Bugali to help the society okutambuza eddagala mu malwaliro, a bicycle like a means of transport to help the society. A Ministry of Health, a very sensitive ministry, ekwatiridde obulamu bw'abannansi so that they don't even have money to buy an ambulance for one parish. And you said that we hate the government. So, what is the reason why what is the reason jetuwa nga tulina okwagala abantu abo? Those people are selfish. Those people, they don't care about our lives. That's why we speak like this on them. You cannot tell me that a Ministry of Health, she's delivering bicycles as a means of transport to help the society when she can drive a billion brand new car to go to deliver those bicycles in a society. With a big budget she can spend on that activity. And you see her standing, delivering bicycles. Now we want us to start praising the government. Oh, well done the government in 40 years. In 40 years. Delivering bicycles to the citizens. And you can even use billions of money to just appreciate member of parliament. Because they are doing your job in parliament. Is that really make any sense? And whenever we say this thing, you see some foolish Ugandans coming on your video abusing you. As if we are stupid. Ekyo kyetaagisa omuntu yenna alina amagezi alina common sense okukiteeka mu bwongo akitegeere nti these people, they don't care about your lives, but they care about themselves. They are so selfish. Nti budget bonga abantu gye bakolera abali mu ministry ya health, budget yaabwe ng'abantu ba minister abo bemmenye, budget yaabwe nene nnyo okusinga ya ministry ennamba ya health. Nti wosanga nti mulago bajiwa billion 17 naye abakozi abakola mu URA just abakozi a small group of people abenkana ku ngalo zange zino bafuna billion 18 for their health services, bus health without any salary allowances whatever. Weka nganti budget y'eggwanga Uganda sente zonna banna Uganda ze batusolozaamu ziggwera mu abo those politicians in offices. Jenirusa Achenge yeye ka sente zaatwala zisobola okuzimba eddwaliro Ddamba. Remember, she's an MP. She get a budget of an MP. She's a minister. She get a budget of being a minister with each and every allowances and other facilities around her. Each and everyone in that ministry, she's an MP, she's a minister. He's an MP, he's a minister. Atwala sente ezoba minister, ezoba MP, so that he can deliver bicycles for you voters to work as an ambulance to help you in a society. Ministry of Health. Nga ye sente zatwala zisobola okuzimba mulago namba. Is that really make any sense in your head? Bino ebigambo byetuwogera tojja biraba ku media ze Uganda. That's why they want to ban social media in Uganda. Kubanga tubalabisa. You cannot find such news on media. You cannot find such news on mainstream medias. You can't. Because Ugandans are living in a dark country. Tebalina mawulire gakwata ku nsi yaabwe. People have been behind. Baba kwesa amawulire. No one asobola kuchogerako ekyo ku mainstream media. That's why we are talking about that on social media. And you see many people attacking us, abusing us. We have to respect leaders. What kind of leaders are those when they cannot even value our lives with taxpayers' money? And they are in offices enjoying the fullest, enjoying the biggest budgets. But Ugandans are